Alright boys, day 3 of vlogmas. Let's keep this going. Alright, made it back from work and just having a little bit of breakfast before we get today started. Some eggs, hash browns, and sausage. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be fixing the Skyline with some JB Weld. So I know what you guys are thinking, and before you guys say anything, well, hey, you're using JB Weld on a R32 or on a Skyline, you know. It's okay guys, I'm doing it on something that I know I've mentioned in the past, and it's something small. So I think it's okay to use JB Weld on this thing that I'm doing. So I know I've mentioned it in the videos before, but the G on this badge fell off. I have it right here. Good thing I found it. It fell off while I was washing the car, and I think I can just glue it on. So I'm gonna mix some JB Weld, clean it up really good, and then just place it back in there. Glue on there. I don't know if it was from factory or not, but it looks like it's been re-glued several times, at least once. So let's go ahead and add some JB Weld to it. Perfect. Some of you might be asking, shoot, what is JB Weld? Well, it's these two little like toothpaste type of things. But anyways, you mix this together, and then within a few seconds it starts to harden and bond to whatever you place it on. So it's pretty cool. I've used it on my car several times. Just haven't showed it, but for this, I'm making an exception. So this one right here is the hardener. I'm gonna add that first. It really doesn't matter which one you do first. They're both gonna be mixed together. Good thing this is an easy thing to do because I'm on a time crunch right now. I have like 5 minutes to do this before I have to go pick up my daughter from school. And you don't even need that much. You just need like a couple little tabs, and it'll stick together, hopefully. That's all you need. And there we go guys. All we gotta do is just let it dry and we're good. I brought the Evo out today, and I haven't driven this car in a while, so I gotta start driving it. I've been driving the Skyline non-stop to pick up my daughter or to just like go make videos and stuff, and I'm slowly forgetting about the Evo. Ever since I got the timing belt done, I've been a little like, I don't know, it hasn't been the same. I just didn't like how that shop treated me. I felt like they were rushing the job just to get done, which is pretty cool because most people just want to drop the car off, pick it up the next day, and bam, keep on going. But for this car, I don't care how long it takes. I wish people would do things the right way, and if I knew how to do the job, I would do it myself. I could have probably done it myself, maybe with a little bit of help from you guys, but I just wanted it done the right way, you know. So I feel like ever since that day that I got it back, it hasn't been the same. Alright guys, we're back. Picked up Lily from school. And do you like the Evo? Or do you like the Skyline?
I like the Skyline.
She likes the Skyline. So that's another reason why I haven't been driving the Evo recently. But I do try to turn on the cars every week. So don't worry, they're not like just neglected and not turned on. And I do wash them weekly too. So, you see? Wow, you got a cake pop. Alright guys, we got her a cake pop at Starbucks. She had a little rough day at school today, but this makes up for it. Building the cars and then finally having a daughter and having this dream of sharing the car, picking up your kids in the car that you built. It's a vibe, guys. Alright, so right now I'm about to feed my fish, guys. Check it out. This is my Oscar. He's freaking a giant. He's a monster. Look how big that is. And then I have another one right here. He's a lot smaller. But damn, compared to that guy, this guy's a beast. So I do feed them some goldfish once in a while. I keep these guys here until they grow a little bit, and then I'll throw in 1 or 2 for him, along with the white one. But right now, I pretty much feed them pellets and fish food. So these guys go crazy. And he will jump out if I leave the lid open. That one's not an Oscar. And then there's a 4th one. He's back there.
Oh.
I was telling them that I was feeding the fish.
You was feeding the fish?
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow I'll feed them a goldfish and I'll show you guys.
Yes! We got this, guys!
Up. This one too.
I was thinking of going out for a canyon run after this car wash, but it's already dark and I have a few hours before I have to go back to work, guys, and I haven't had sleep. So let me show you guys something really quick. This car is starting to show its age. It's a 2006, and I know little things here and there are gonna start ripping. Like my seat is already ripping. It's not as bad as the Skylines, but it's already ripping, so I put some tape on there. But check it out. Finally, the light on my boost gauge went out, and I don't know why my light is flickering. It looks new, but it's old. Let's see how long we can keep the vlogs going. I'll see you guys tomorrow.